Good morning students, this is Arjun Gupta from St. Joseph Degree College. Today we are supposed to discuss regarding to functions of commercial bank, development and modern functions. In the earlier class, already we have discussed regarding to primary functions, secondary functions, and now we are supposed to discuss regarding to the other two major functions of commercial bank. Now let us try to know what are the development functions of a commercial bank. The developmental functions of commercial bank are as follows: mobilization of savings, extension of banking services to rural areas, providing loans to weaker sections, and assistance to capital market. First of all, let us try to know mobilization of savings. Mobilization of savings is nothing but movement of savings from one place to another. Bank collects idle saving of people and invests the same in productive areas. Banks helps in accelerating the rate of capital formation in country by mobilizing the saving. Next, extension of banking services in rural areas. Commercial banks have opened their branches in rural areas and small towns to provide banking facilities to the people living therein. Next, providing loans to weaker section. Banks give loans to weaker sections of the society at low rate of interest. Next, assistance to capital market. Banks also take part in capital market by giving long-term loans to industry, agriculture, small-scale industry, and so on. Modern functions are nothing but the new inventions that has been happened in banking system. Now let us try to understand what are the modern functions of a commercial bank. The modern functions of commercial bank are as follows: automatic teller machine, credit cards, mail transfer, telebanking, internet banking, round the clock banking. Automatic teller machines are also called as ATM. Many bankers have introduced ATMs to assist their customers to withdraw and deposit cash without any waiting time. The debit and credit card holders of a bank can also withdraw cash in emergency from the ATMs at any time. The customer can withdraw or expand money up to the amount of money in his or her account with the bank. Credit cards. Many bankers have introduced credit cards in India among their customers. Credit card replaces the paper currency. The card holder may purchase goods from many authorized dealers by using the credit card at nominal rate of interest. The card holders can also withdraw cash from ATMs up to a specified limit maintained by the bank throughout the country. The customers have to pay certain service charges to the bank along with interest on the outstanding balances. Mail transfer and telegraphic transfer. The customer of a bank has an option to transfer from one place to another through mail transfer or telegraphic transfer. The mail transfer, the customer requests the bank to transfer some part of balance in the payee's account kept in a different place in the same bank for a nominal commission. The bank manager, after receiving the instruction of customer, arranges to send an advice to the concerned bank manager through a mail telegram to credit the payee's account with certain sum as desired by the customer. Telebanking. Telebanking is increasingly used as a delivery channel for marketing banking services. A customer can do entire non-cash related banking over the phone anywhere and at any time. Automatic voice recorders or ID numbers are used for rendering telebanking services, which have added convenience to customers. Internet banking. Internet banking is a platform for electronic delivery of banking services to the customers. In internet banking, customer of a bank with a personal computer and a browser can have accounts to his bank's website and thereafter perform various banking functions. Thus, he can avail of banking services from anywhere and at any time. Round-the-clock banking. The modern banking system facilitates performing of basic banking transactions by customers round the clock globally. Worldwide, 24 hours and 7 days a week, banking services are made possible. Students, I hope you have enjoyed the class a lot and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.